Microbenchmark tools. I don't mind Sysbench. This example here is FIO for the file system I/O tester. I don't mind this either. What I really like about FIO is that you can change the working set access distribution, because most file system benchmark tools, it is a uniform access distribution, and that does not match real world. In real world, it is often exponential or Pareto or some other type of distribution, and FIO lets me simulate that. I had to do some testing for a particular issue, and what I did was I picked some random MySQL servers, traced all the accesses, and then plotted it in R to see what the actual access distribution. I should blog this, because it's actually groundbreaking work, because I don't know anyone else has done this, because you need dtrace, and you need it on production, and you need VFS access, and you need to plug it all into R. So I did all this stuff, and I showed that yes, the working set access distributions were not uniform, and they were quite commonly had this Pareto shape to them, which is great. And then I actually I then ran FIO and fiddled, because Pareto has this constant, 0.9 means how steep the curve is, and I just fiddled it until it matched what I saw in the real world. And it's like, all right, that's pretty close to simulating the real world. So that's where I came up with that, why it's 0.9 and not 0.5 or 0.7 or. So pretty cool. 5 gigabytes, 0.9 Pareto, 8 kilobyte working block size. FIO gives you heaps of statistics. It's pretty neat, like the 99th percentile and so on. Although this helps me examine the tail of the queue, it doesn't help me examine multi-mode distributions. So I actually don't mind FIO. FIO is written by Jens Axbo, who does a bunch of other Linux kernel work.